educational video. Here I am your Pinky ma'am. Today I am going to teach you comparison. Yes, we'll learn a new topic today. Are you all ready? Yes, come on, let's see how we can compare things. Okay, so the first comparison what we are going to learn today is about one and many. Okay, so let's see here. You can find ball, right? And this side also you can find balls, but there is some difference. Yes, things are common. Both side I am having balls, but count with me how many balls here I have. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many balls? This side there are 5 balls. And here how many balls? 1 and 2. How many balls? 2. This side I am having 5 balls and this side I am having only 2 balls. Right? So here I have many balls, right? I have 5 balls here. Here I have only 2. So here I have more balls because there are 5 balls, and here I have less balls because here I have only 2 balls. So what is the comparison we are learning here? This side is more and this is less. So we have learned about more and less. So children, the next topic we are going to learn is one and many. Yes. So you can find cake here. How many cake? 1, 2, 3 cake. How many cake here? 3 cake. I just love eating cake. And here how many cake you can see? Only 1 cake. So what is the comparison we are learning? Here there are many cake and here there is only 1 cake. So the comparison we are learning here is one and many. So what we are learning? 1, this is 1 cake and here 1, 2, 3. That is more than 1. एक से ज़्यादा है. इधर एक है और इधर एक से ज़्यादा है. कितने हैं? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3. So 1 and many. So today, now what is the next topic we are going to learn? We are going to learn about long and short. Yes, we are going to learn long and short. So here you can see a girl who is having long hair. Can you see the girl? She is having a long hair. She is having the hair very long till her knees. And see here, the girl is having very short hair like me. So, long and short. The girl is having long hair and the girl is having short hair. Long and short. So, we have learned about the comparison long and short. Next, we are going to learn the topic is tall and short. Yes, tall and short. You must have seen while clicking the photograph or while walking, you are too small, है ना? आप सब बहुत छोटे लगते हो, and your parents, your grandparents, they are tall and you all are short, है ना? आप सब small लगते हो, आपके मम्मी पापा, आपके बड़े भैया दीदी सब क्या है? लंबे दिखते हैं. That is tall and short. So here you can see a big animal. Which is that? It is a giraffe and it is so tall. It is the tallest animal. This is tall. And here, which animal is this? Very small. Which is that? Yes, it is a rat. See, giraffe is too big. है ना? And the rat is too small. So this is tall and this is short. So we are learning the comparison, that is tall and here short. Tall and short. Next we are going to learn about the comparison heavy and light. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the topic heavy and light. Yes, here you can see the animal elephant. Elephant is very heavy. It is very healthy. It is very fat. It is very heavy in weight. Right? This is an elephant. Okay? Heavy. And this is, what is this? This is a book. Right? Can you lift an elephant? Oh, I can't. है ना? हम उठा सकते हैं elephant को? No, we can't lift an elephant. Elephant is too heavy, right? It is very heavy. We can't lift. But you can lift a book, right? You can lift a book. हम easily उठा सकते हैं? Yes, because it is light in weight. So here what we are learning? The elephant is heavy and here the book is very light. We can easily carry. So here we have learned about heavy and this is light. Heavy and light. Next topic we are going to learn about is thick and thin. What we are going to learn? Thick and thin. So here you can see the book which is having many pages. है ना? बहुत सारे pages है. कितनी बड़ी book है, right? It is so big and it has many pages. It is very thick in size, right? And you can see here, this book is very thin. It has very less pages, right? So this is thin book. This is thin book and this is thick book. So which comparison we are going to learn here is thick and thin. This book is thick and this book is thin. So the next topic we are going to learn about the comparison is near and far. Yes, so children, see here you can see a boy who is standing very near to the ball. He is playing with the ball. You can see the ball is very near to him and here you can see the boy is playing with the ball and the ball is very far from the boy. So what we can learn from these two pictures about the comparison is near and far. Here the ball is near to the boy and here the ball is very far from the ball. So this is near and this is far. And now you can see the bus is very near to me. You can see the school bus which is very near to me, right? And here in this picture you can see the car has went very far from me. It is very away from me. बहुत दूर है, right? So near यानी पास, okay? And far यानी दूर. Near and far, okay? Now the next comparison we are going to learn is inside and outside, okay? So here you can see this is a wild animal. What is its name? This is a leopard. Yes, this is a leopard. The leopard is in the cage. You must all have visited the zoo, and in the zoo you must have seen the leopard which is inside the cage because it's a wild animal. It can harm us. So it is inside the cage. Okay. So the leopard is inside the cage and you can see a leopard here in this picture which is roaming freely in the jungle. Yes, it's a forest animal, jungle animal. So here the leopard is roaming very freely. It is not in the cage, it is outside the cage. Okay, it is roaming freely in the forest. And here in this picture the leopard is inside the cage. And here in this picture the leopard is outside the cage. Okay. So the comparison we learn is inside and outside. Okay. That is inside yani andar. The leopard is inside the cage. Outside yani bahar. The leopard is outside the cage. So today we have learned all the comparison. Okay. So in the next class I will teach you about more topics related to the subject maths. Till then, take care. Bye bye.